Mr. E's tip of the day. Get some, I'm not talking to you, honey, but anyway, get some honey, local honey. We got the honey guy where I live. See, the honey guy. So you want to get some good quality honey. Then you want to get some good high quality garlic. Right, and you peel the garlic. You put them in a little container. And what you have, well, I have to use two hands to open it. What you have left over is honey garlic. And that is nature's antibiotic. It will kill what's wrong with you. This is for medicinal purposes only. I take one a day. You just eat that, and it cures the gut and kills parasites and all sorts of stuff. So that's the tip of the day, honey garlic. And when you're done, you can use the honey as like a sauce on something. Maybe some of these green beans, honey garlic green beans. And look, we got squash and watermelon, cucumbers. Man, there's so much stuff. We don't know what to do with it all. But anyway, honey garlic. Nature's antibiotic.